Right, everyone, let's talk about AI. Not the hype, but how you can maximize the opportunity today. And action. Jerry Seinfeld, the American comedian, recently observed that humans were smart enough to invent AI, dumb enough to need it, and we're so stupid we're not sure we've done the right thing. Hi, I'm Dr Mark Bloomfield. I'm a fellow at Cambridge Judge Business School, where I teach AI innovation disruption to senior executives. The way I like to think about AI is that AI is my co-founder. The American computer scientist Andrew Ng has also noted that AI is the new electricity. And every day in the press, we see stories of the latest model, the risks of job displacement, and there is so much uncertainty around hype potentially about the impact that AI will have on us personally and professionally that we need to reground ourselves in some realities. How do we ensure we navigate this successfully as leaders to maximize the opportunities that it affords? So a few things that will help you stay ahead with AI. First of all, AI is a huge field of practice that's existed for nearly 70 years. But really there are three types of AI that I want you to know. The first is predictive AI. Think TikTok. These are systems that are using data to give you recommendations or to encourage you to take action. This could be what to watch next on Netflix or indeed on TikTok. The next is generative AI. Think ChatGPT or DALL-E for image generation. This is where AI is using large amounts of data to create content for you for the first time. The third AI theme is physical AI. Physical AI. This is robotics and sensors, where AI comes to life through physical manifestations like robots. So from the three types of AI, there's a really important formula I want you to remember. AI does not equal just Gen AI. And now there are three trends that I want to make you aware of to help you stay ahead of the hype and maximize the opportunity. The first is AI agents or agentic AI. These are tools and processes that help us automate our decision-making inside organizations, all the way from automating document processing month-end to social media creation. AI agents are there to work in partnership with humans, but to help automate and orchestrate workflows inside our organization. Your opportunity is to think like the conductor of the orchestra, where you're in control of these agents and how they connect and speak with each other. The next trend is explainable AI or XAI. Think of this as being at school and the teacher tells you to show your workings. For AI to exist and to make sense in an organization, we need to have trust that it's doing the right things. Explainable AI begins to identify the steps and the logic that AI is going through to reach its conclusions. Now, this is really important in generative AI because the risk of creating something new that is incorrect, also known as a hallucination, is a problem. Ultimately, what we want to try and do is maximize trust, and explainable AI helps. The third trend is AI as a stakeholder. If you're not using AI, the chances are one of your customers or your supply chain probably are. So how can you use AI as a thought partner to give you advice, to talk to create inspiration, to test ideas and how you would talk to a customer? So AI as stakeholder is one of those key trends to consider. So what I'd recommend are 4 actionable things to help you stay ahead. The first is to build an AI agent in a tool called 11 Labs. 11 Labs, you can create an agent that you can talk to. Now you can practice pitching to a CEO or asking for a pay rise or simulating a question or discussion with a customer. Equally, you can create an AI agent to be a career coach. I have created AI agents to be non-exec directors for my business, and the feedback and the challenge that I have from them, I find to be profound. It's very natural. You don't have to worry about typing. It's a natural conversation. And whilst it might look strange to be talking to the AI systems, actually what you'll get a sense of is the quality. But more importantly, the action of building one will inspire you. And it will give you so much to consider about the impact of these technologies inside your organization. So have a go. Create your own AI agent. The next is to subscribe to newsletters such as the rundown.ai. These are curated lists that give you a sense of not just the emerging technologies, but where businesses are starting to use them, where there may be risks, and where there may be opportunities. If I can offer you 3 newsletters to help you stay ahead, the first would be the rundown.ai. This is best for a general audience to help you make sense of not only the emerging technologies, but where this is beginning to have an impact inside a business. The second newsletter is Superhuman. Superhuman again helps you to bring to life emerging technologies in different industries. If you want a more technical perspective, Alpha Signal is my go-to newsletter. This is a radar for you. Newsletters such as the Rundown can really help you stay ahead. My third piece of advice is to invest in AI literacy for you and your teams, where we can use AI terminologies in the business without fear, without misunderstanding, and without hype. The fourth recommendation is then to begin to innovate with AI. Inside your organization, create a friction audit. Where are there manual repetitive tasks where use of AI, whether that's predictive AI, generative AI, or physical AI, could actually have an impact? Start small and grow. Those 4 steps: build a voice agent, use newsletters to create your own radar, create an AI literacy program, and fourth, conduct the friction audit to begin to help you innovate with AI, will really keep you ahead of the curve and understanding what's coming next to ensure that you maximize value. But with all the hype around AI, we shouldn't get obsessed with the latest shiny technology. To ensure success with AI, not only do we need to stay ahead of the latest technology, but to be absolutely focused on the problems we're trying to solve. To have an innovation mindset and framing towards AI is going to help us both navigate the risks, maximize the opportunities, and to ensure we go from hype to opportunity.